All right, so the purpose of this video is to show you how to get your handwritten math online so that people can see it in the discussion forum. And what I did is I did a problem out of the book, and I wrote it out on paper, and then I got a picture of it. It's on my computer, and there's a couple of ways you can get this into Moodle now. One way is I'm in a week 2 discussion forum. I'm just using this as an example. They don't want to have other people's names for privacy issues. So here we go. So I'm going to make this. I'm going to use. Let's see. Came from page. Let's see. What page did it come from? It came from page 46. And actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it. That came from section 1.3. I know this is week 1 work, and I'm posting in week 2, but I'll delete it. Page 46, and this is question number 10 that I did. Okay, and what I did, you can do it 2 ways. You can get your pictures online here. See where I go here? I'm going to click on Insert Image. I can upload it, and maybe you guys will probably most likely do this. I'm going to show you another way to do that, because if it's on your phone, sometimes it's easier to get it online in another way. But let's see. I've got this in my scanner folder. Let's see, pictures. Should have had this open for you. Yeah, here it is. So I've got it. I've grabbed it. I'm going to upload it, and there you can see the whole thing. Can I expand this window to see the whole thing? I guess not. I guess I can change the appearance too. Notice this is a pretty large image. I'm going to try shrinking it down to about 900 pixels and then that's the length, so width and length. And if you can click that, make sure the constrained proportions are checked. That way it won't distort the view. And I'm going to just insert that picture, and we'll see what it looks like. Well, that's illegible. So it saves me a lot of time as far as trying to write in math. This version of Moodle doesn't have a good equation editor in it also. So, and the other thing that's nice about displaying an image, nobody has to open a file. It's right here. So then I'm going to post that to the forum, and as you'll see, here's mine. Somebody can read my post and find out exactly what is it I'm posting, and here's my work. I think it's correct. I didn't notice I made any mistakes, but I won't let you look at it long enough to find them if I did. So that's one way to post an image. Another way to post an image is, and I'll do this because I'll usually, like my stat courses, I teach 2 sections. I'll want to display the same image in both courses. So what I'll do is I'll use this website, Imgur. It's something my Reddit using son and daughter showed me this website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to a couple of ways to do this. Because I've already got this downloaded onto my computer. I can what can I do? I can click and just upload it just like you did through Moodle. I don't know if might as well do it through Moodle. But what's really cool is, like, if I use a thing like Desmos. If you've never checked out Desmos.com calculator, you're in for a treat. It does a lot. It doesn't do everything, but it does do a lot. Let's see. I think that function I just found the average value of was, let's see, what was it? It was x squared. I got the paper right here. If you'll bear with me. Let's see. It's x squared minus 4x plus 1. Notice I'm having to use x's and not t's. I've never really played around with Desmos to trying to graph other variables. I think you got to do some defining of them. So I just go with it's easier to switch everything to x and y. So plus 3, okay. Whoops, plus 3, not equals 3. Okay, and notice I messed up x. See me make all the mistakes. So there's that graph. Now, what if I wanted to display a graph in Moodle? Well, what you can do is if you know how to do a screen capture, it's very easy. On a Windows 10 box, if you just do the snipping tool, I have mine bookmarked, but you can certainly get that, and I can capture what I want to display, and it's copied to the memory, then I'm going to just copy that to the memory. Now in a Mac, it's what is it? It's Command Control Shift 4. I think I've got that out in the FAQ. I'll have to go look. It's been a while since I've used a Mac. So I've just copied this to memory. I'm going to copy that to my clipboard memory. I'm going to go to that Imgur website, and I'm just going to paste it in. See where it's uploading? And then I can just click on that. Whoops. What's happening here? Maybe I got to refresh my page. There. And then I can just copy that direct link URL. I can go to back to Moodle. I can insert. I got the image URL. I'm inserting an image, and then again I can look at what it looks like. Pretty big picture. I mean, maybe I want to leave it that big. Let's see what it looks like when I post it. Okay, so there's that picture that's online. I didn't have to upload it to Moodle. And I guess on my large, wide screen, it's not looking too bad. So that's 2 ways you can get your work online. Okay, so if you want to do some work like this as your week 1 or your week 1 post, do it. If you need to make up some points from that intro quiz, you can do it there too. So hopefully this helps. This video is probably long enough.